Greetings from a chilly Vernal, Utah. Today we'll be flying Contour Airlines' newest route from Vernal to Phoenix. Vernal has to be one of the friendliest towns we've visited in a long time. It is home to a handful of dinosaur fossils from the Jurassic era, hence why when walking around Vernal, you'll find dinosaur sculptures in all shapes and sizes. So a little background on why Contour Airlines chose this route. Contour flies a handful of essential air service routes across the United States, using 28 Embraer 135 and 140 regional jets. Under the Essential Air Service program, small communities like Vernal are guaranteed commercial air service from a designated carrier over an agreed period of time. In order to guarantee air service, the Department of Transportation will subsidize the airline's operation on these routes. Regional operator Skywest flew a handful of essential air service routes across the country, but has terminated some routes due to the ongoing pilot shortage. In Vernal, Utah's case, the community was going to lose service to Denver from Skywest. So, Contour took over the route, switching the route to Phoenix. Being such a small airport, check-in was super quick and easy. When booking through Contour's website, you get one free checked bag and free seat selection. Seat pitch, as you can see, is a generous 36 inches. Having overnighted in Vernal, our aircraft needed a little de-icing before we could blast out of here. Despite the short flight duration, the sole flight attendant completed a food and beverage service. Snacks consisted of a snack mix or cookies. Being a smaller aircraft, there's no Wi-Fi or in-seat power, so it's best to charge up at the airport. So one advantage of flying Contour is that they interline with American Airlines. So when flying to Phoenix or to Chicago, you can connect onwards to American Airlines. Overall, Contour Airlines provided a stellar service, a comfortable seat, and convenient flight times. While Contour Airlines is not as large as a major airline, they will play a vital role in connecting small communities to key airline hubs in the years to come. Be sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, safe travels.